To access all these values with a for loop, the syntax in Python is for, and then we give this a variable name. We'll say for thing in my favorite things, and we'll print out our thing. So what happens is similar to how in our while loop we had before, while counter is less than 1,000, we were updating the value of counter. The same sort of thing happens in this for loop, where thing is like counter, and it gets updated every time we go through this loop. Instead of us reassigning the variable ourselves, Python handles this for us under the hood. So let's go ahead and try running